I'm Kyle Pillsbury, standing next to the all-new Galeon 650 Sky. There's 3 cool features I'd love to show you guys. So this boat has a really unique feature. It's called beach mode. So it goes from 16.5 feet wide, but with the touch of a button, it goes to 23.5 feet wide. I'm staying on the port side wing. You can also see over on the starboard side, it opens up as well. You feel like you're in a much larger yacht than 65 feet. This Salon is amazing. It's got a full panoramic view, great access with galley aft to the cockpit. You even have a TV that lifts up so that people sitting in the aft cockpit can view television. Moving forward, this is where the boat even gets better. So it's a full walkthrough from the stern of the boat to the bow of the boat. We get up to the bow space, and this is truly another unique space on the boat. This boat was designed to look like an express, but given that it's a SKYdeck, it has a fully concealed bridge, and the touch of a button, the bridge opens up, and then you end up with bonus space. It's really great for entertaining. And that's just a few of the features that the Galeon 650 Sky has to offer. Make sure to stop into MarineMax or visit MarineMax.com. Again, I'm Kyle Pillsbury. Thank you.